Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to complete our 4 unit which we have started, Night's Poem. Yes, and we will complete question answers and dictation today. Let's go towards our next topic. But before this, let me ask you, have you completed your words Urdu meaning and word sentences? I hope you have completed your word sentences and you have done them neatly in your neat copy as I've shown you in the last video also. Okay, and let me take your small test also. Here you have I'm going to give you two sentences and you have to make two words and you have to make sentences by using them in your sentences. So first word is seek and second word is nest. Seek and nest. You have to make sentences. You have to pause the video here इनके sentences form करें और when you are done तो उसको check करें either they are right or wrong. And if you have not learned तो बेटा before you have to watch this video, go back and learn your previous lesson and then you have to watch this video after learning. Is that clear? So now let's move to our next topic. Yes, here we are on page number 38 and we have done this vocabulary part. We have made these words into sentences and as I have given you a small test also. I hope you have learnt it. Okay, and now let's move to the next activity is answer the following question. We are going to start this activity reading for comprehension. Answer the following questions. We have read the poem. Now let's start from the first question. What is this poem about? What is this poem about? Yes. What is the name of the poem? Night. So what will be your answer? Yes, you will start your answer from the poem. This poem is. This poem is, you have to write is over here. This poem is about, and here you have to write night. This poem is about night. Yes, this poem is about night. Let me show you answer. Yes, this poem is about night. This is your answer. This is your question. First question, what is the poem about? And your answer will be this poem is about night. Now let's go to the next question. Now look at the second question. When do the stars shine? When do the stars shine? Yes, think about it. कब stars shine करते हैं? Yes. So we will write our answer. When the sun sets, the evening stars shine. Yes, when the sun sets, the evening stars shine. Let me show you answer. Yes, when do the stars shine? When the sun sets. Here we have sun is singular, so here we have to put s with a verb. When the sun sets, the evening stars shine. Now the stars are more in number, so it's become plural, so we have to write shine over there. हम shine में s के verb के साथ s नहीं add कर रहे. Is that clear? When the sun sets, the evening stars shine. Is that clear? It's a very easy one कि जब सूरज गरूब हो जाता है तो इवनिंग पे स्टार शाइन करते हैं. Is that clear? Now let's go to the third question. Yes, now look at the third question. What does the night bring for us? What does the night bring for us? Yes, when there is night, so what we feel? Yes, there is darkness all around. Na? So what will be the answer? Yes, we will start answer from the question. The night bring. Night is singular, so we have to write s with bring. The night brings darkness for us. Yes, here we are going to add darkness. The night brings darkness for us. Let me show you answer. Yes, our question is, what does the night bring for us? The night brings, as I told you, night is singular, तो हम brings के साथ s ऐड करेंगे. क्वेश्चन में नहीं है because it's a question ना. Here we have does, so that's why the night brings darkness for us. Isn't it easy? Yes, it's really easy, and you have to learn them by heart. Now let's go to the question number 4. Yes, what makes the moon happy? What makes the moon happy? Yes, let's move back towards the poem and let's see what makes the moon happy. Yes, the moon like a flower in heaven's high bower, with silent delight sits and smiles on the night. So what makes moon happy? Yes, heaven's high bower makes the moon happy. Let me show you answer. Yes, here we have what makes the moon happy. Heavens apostrophe के साथ s लिखेंगे. Heavens high bower makes the moon happy. Yes, heaven's high bower makes the moon happy. And you have learned the meaning of bower? Yes. Now look at the last question. Yes, now look at the last one. Why are the birds silent in their nests? Why are the birds silent in their nest? Because the name of the poem is Night. And where do the birds go when it's night? Yes, they go back to their nest. And what they do at night? Yes, they also take rest. So what will be the answer? Why are the birds silent in their nest? The birds are silent in their nest as it is night and they are taking rest. Let me show you answer. Yes, here we have a last question. Why are the birds silent in their nests? As birds are taking rest, they are silent. Yes, as birds are taking rest, they are silent. As I've told you, it's night time, so birds are taking rest and they are silent. Now let's have a look at the copy work, how you are going to do your neat work on your notebook. Yes, first of all, what you have to do, you have to manage your copy properly. You have to write date because it's your homework, so you are going to complete it tomorrow. Yes, and page number, you have to write both dates. दोनों dates को लिखेंगे बेटा carefully. And you have to write question answer. Here's one thing, I have not underlined it, so let me underline it for you. Okay, then what you have to do beta, you have to write question answers. डबल अंडरलाइन इट बाय यूजिंग स्केल. और अंडरलाइन कहाँ करेंगे? जिस लाइन पर लिखा हुआ है बेटा उससे थोड़ा सा नीचे से अंडरलाइन करेंगे. Then you have to draw two margin line with 1 inch distance on the left side of the copy and ½ inch distance, one line on the right side of the copy. Write question number like this. Then you use your pointer to write question and you will write your answer by using your blue pen in the same. Is that clear? So this is the way you are going to do your question answers. Is it clear? On the both pages, and don't forget to put full stop at the end of the sentence. When your one sentence is complete, either you are writing sentence or question answer, so you have to put full stop at the end. Is that clear? See it carefully. You have to do your work neatly. Now let's move towards last thing of our chapter. Yes, what's this? Yes, here we have the last thing which you have to do on your neat copy, and it's dictation. Remember I've told you कि last time भी I've told you कि I'm not going to write the word. आप लोगों ने क्या करना है, अपने किसी भी सिबलिंग को या मामा या बाबा को जिसके पास भी आप काम कर रहे हैं, आप लोगों ने अपनी बुक आफ्टर लर्निंग, जब आप लर्निंग कर चुको डिक्टेशन की, आपने बुक देनी है उन्हें and ask them to speak any 10 words and you have to do dictation. Is that clear? आप लोग 10 words की dictation करेंगे on your copy. I have done first word for you. It's mean you have to complete rest of the 9. Is that clear? एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू कंप्लीट योर डिक्टेशन. आप लोग अपनी कॉपी ऐसे ही सेंड कर देते हैं होमवर्क की विदाउट कंप्लीटिंग योर वर्क. दिस इज़ योर टास्क टू कंप्लीट योर डिक्टेशन. इज दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ नोट डाउन योर डायरी and don't forget to learn your lesson properly. This is your diary. Learn plus do question answers. Lesson 4 from PTP plus dictation. You have to do question answer plus dictation from lesson number 4 of PTP. Is that clear? We'll meet inshallah in next lesson. Allah Hafiz.